Today I'm going to show you how to do a color change. So we're going to start as if we're going to knit with the green, and now we're going to join on some of the orange. We're just going to place it over the needle and then holding both the green strand and the orange strands, work a knit stitch. Now we're going to work the next knit stitch, but we're going to let go of the green and just use the orange. Now we can continue on knitting in the orange until we get to the end of the row. And now we're going to work back in purl stitches. Now it's important when you get to the end here that you pick up both the green and the orange strand from the first stitch you worked. And you're going to want to tug on the ends just to make sure that they're nice and tight. But that's it, that's your colour change. So now if we want to work back in green, because it's still attached to the main body of our work, we can just pick up the strand and just knit in green. Here I've done another couple of rows in the orange as well, just so you can see what it looks like all together. And that's how you do a basic colour change.